Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a new update on how to share your profile on Facebook using your PC. So let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on Profile from the left side menu. This will take you to your profile where you can see all your posts, photos, and other information. Next, you'll want to find the web address of your profile. To do this, simply click on the web address at the top of your browser. This is the link that will direct others to your profile. Now, right-click on the web address and select Copy from the drop-down menu. This will save the link to your clipboard so you can easily paste it wherever you'd like. Finally, all that's left to do is share the link of your profile wherever you prefer. You can paste it in a message to a friend, share it on your timeline, or even post it in a group you're a part of. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to share your Facebook profile on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.